All right, guys, day 2. We're in Roswell, leaving Roswell. Ended up with a little problem last night. I picked a phone charger up off my nightstand, and it wasn't for an iPhone, so I couldn't charge my freaking phone last night. So I had to come to Walmart this morning early and get one, plug it into the accessory outlet on the bike down there. There you go. And get a charge on it while I'm riding. So anyway, today's destination is Payson, Arizona. And we are going to be taking back roads there. We're starting out on a State Road 380 and heading towards Arizona. So we'll be going west on 380 all the way to Socorro, New Mexico. All right, coming into Lincoln, New Mexico. So this is Malapis, the Valley of Fires. It's this whole swath of these black lava rock, basically. Exactly what it is. And it goes through the whole Valley of Fire is what it's called. Really kind of odd. Taking a quick break, try to stay hydrated. You see the road to Socorro is long. It's the long road. It's some fantastic riding. Got my old black and beat up water container. It's been with me since 2012 on my 2012 Harley. Still working, still functioning. All right, so coming up is a very large array. It's closed on Tuesdays, so I'm not going to be able to see it. I went ahead and did a pull over to a viewpoint where I can get a good picture of it. It was used in the movie Contact with Jodie Foster, and it was built to listen for extraterrestrial signals from outer space. All right, well, I had to turn around. I get the sign. I didn't get it on the way in, but I just drove through the Cibola National Forest, just past the Great Array, or the Very Large Array, I'm sorry. Arizona. Super twisty roads here, 20 miles an hour. You know, we're taking a little bit faster than that, but it's just continuous curves like this coming out of Prescott, Arizona. So it's beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. And then you get the great riding with the twisty roads, of course. There's a road way up there that we came down up on the hill where I came down. There's no more since Margaret stopped riding. But then you've got all this beautiful view too, and you're trying to ride and take in the view. And yeah, it's tough. This is just a great ride right here. Just absolutely fantastic. We're coming into Congress Arizona. We're still on 89. And I got to tell you, everybody talks about tail of the dragon, tail of the dragon, tail of the dragon. I've ridden tail of the dragon. I rode the Diamondback motorcycle or sports car motorcycle route outside a little Swiss village off the Blue Ridge Parkway. And they're all good. 3 Twisted Sisters down in the hill country of Texas, Leakey, Texas. It's good riding. But this is great riding, guys. I mean, this is freaking phenomenal, you know? I mean, the twisty roads here that I've experienced on 89 coming out of Prescott are definitely just as good as any of the tail of the dragon. And if you're a rider, it is definitely something that you need to consider coming and doing. I'm not doing a whole lot of video today. This day is going to be a 500-mile day trying to get to San Diego to see my uncle. This is 2.5 days of bugs. Yeah, the Freedom windshield's getting its put to use this time. It's doing a good job though, man. I'm real happy with the Freedom windshield. So anyway, we're going to move on and we'll get some more video as we go on. You'll probably get a little less video as we get closer down to Yuma, because in Yuma we're going to actually get on Interstate 8 and just pretty much just haul into to San Diego, because it's going to be a long day. So I've had my heavier riding shirt on for, man, 3 days. It's been chilly enough for almost all day of riding. I've been able to wear it, but now I'm coming down out of the mountains and stuff, and the sun's coming out, so I gotta skin down a little bit. I got a thinner long sleeve shirt that I'm going to go ahead and put on. This is the one Margaret got me a few years back. It's just a phenomenal shirt. Quartzsite, Arizona. We're gonna take off. We hit I-10 just for about 12 miles or so when we came out of the desert. So now we're going to get back on some smaller back roads going through the desert. To Yuma is our next destination. It's on State Road 95. We're in San Diego, California at National Monument Cabrillo. And we got a statue of Rodriguez Cabrillo. You see the sailboats way out there. There's downtown San Diego. And there's the shipyards, I guess, where they build them and repair them and do all kinds of stuff to them. My cousin was telling me sometimes the submarines will come in and you can see them coming in. So like, right there, you know, there's like, that's an attack submarine, the Los Angeles class and Ohio class, and of course all these other types of ships come in as well. Stay back. Look at that. That is really awesome. Look at this guy flying over us.
Oh my.
Wait, try to untangle that.